What's the meaning of archenemy? Archenemy. Archenemy.
Archenemy. Archenemy. Archenemy refers to a person or thing that is the greatest enemy or rival of another. It describes a deep and long-standing hatred or hostility between two parties. It implies an ongoing conflict that may have started due to personal, political, or ideological differences, and has persisted over time. The term suggests a level of animosity that goes beyond normal opposition or competition, and implies a fight-to-the-death mentality. It's a phrase commonly used in literature, movies, and everyday conversation to describe intense enmities between individuals or groups.